Hi fellow YouTubers, Metal Dragon is here, and this is my first video on this channel. Today I'll be unboxing Cooler Master's NotePal U-Stand Mini. This stand supports up to 15-inch laptops. On the front side of the box we see a picture of the actual stand, and on the back there are a bunch of other pictures and of course specifications. I'll be putting these in description below the video. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So okay, first we have USB or power cable. This here is warranty information, some important notifications, and of course a user guide. Okay, let's take this box. This is the actual stand, but I'll be putting this to the side for now. Okay, in this small box, I suppose here are fans. Let me take this out. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry for that noise. These are 80 millimeter fans, and they feel very good. Let's put this aside. Okay, here is the stand, and it's really good packaging. It's made really good. This is aluminum, mesh aluminum. These two pads are adjustable, so you can move them from side to side and of course up. They will stop your laptop from sliding. Of course, here is a rubber feet that also prevents your laptop from sliding. This rubber feet is of course adjustable. You can peel it off from here and place it wherever you want. Let's put it here for now. Okay, like that. The other side, there is also a rubber feet for your stand, and this other part is made out of plastic. This is aluminum, but this is plastic, but it's a really good quality plastic. Okay, this stand can be also adjusted, as you can see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth position, or first, second, third, fourth and fifth position. Like, you can place it like so, as you can see. Okay. On this side we have a power button, power port for, I suppose, the fans, mini USB, and 3 2.0 USB ports. On the other side there are no ports, it's empty. As you can see, again, the back and, oh sorry, the front of the actual stand. Now I will be placing my laptop so you can see how it looks. This is my laptop. This is Asus K53S, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. I'll raise it a little bit now, maybe go on this actual position. There it is. So now you can see how it looks. And from the side, here's from the side. Okay, now I'll show you how to place your fans. Here are the fans. As you can see, they have these buttons, and now let's place the fans on the stand. First, you need to press a button, press it, then place a fan on aluminum, and the other one, just press the button and place it. Okay. Again, from front, this is how it looks, and of course from the back. This cable just goes in this power port. Just place it and you're good to go. Okay. That would be all for this unboxing. I will be doing a review on this stand perhaps tomorrow, so check that out. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.